Hello, everyone. Welcome to week 3. Week 3 will be looking at inpatient census, and doing some calculations. One of the things that's important to keep in mind that will really help you throughout this week will be looking at what a census is. What a census basically is the number of patients in beds, which is the numerator, and then the number of beds that could possibly be filled by patients. And this is expressed as a fraction. And then, as you would expect at this point in the course, it's converted into hundredths, which means percentage. So if we have a 100-bed unit, say, or a 100-bed hospital for the sake of argument, and 85 of those 100 beds are filled, we would have 85%. We'll be working again with Excel this week. So one of the things I'd like to do is to post some other resources that you have access to. Through being a student here at Lane Community College, you have access to LinkedIn Learning, which has a whole bunch of lesson plans I've been reviewing that one of my colleagues, Jerry Minahan, turned me on to. So if you have taken Excel but took it a while ago, or are rusty, or just want a refresher, I'll be putting links to these specific lessons on Moodle for you to review and get up to speed on Excel. Anyway, that's all I have for you. If you need to see me during office hours, I'm available from 3 to 4:15, Monday through Thursday. If those times don't work for you, click on the link in my email stationery and we'll come up with a time that works out for both of us. Anyway, that's all I have for you for this week's announcement. We'll see you online. Bye now.